What are some do's and don'ts for parents to provide the quality sleep to their babies or toddlers, infants, anybody?
Do's are don't parent the way your parents parented. No offense, but there's so much research and education awareness that has come in the last 30, 40 years since we were born. Okay, we cannot parent our children the same way we were parented. That world does not exist anymore. Awareness, like I said, is important, and I feel that in today's day and age of internet and Google on our fingertips, ignorance is a choice. You cannot choose to be ignorant anymore, because see, our parents did not have access to so much information. There were no baby sleep experts at that time, right? Pediatricians are only giving us whatever little information they had. Okay, there was no Google. Your Google was आपके पड़ोस वाले आंटी या neighbors या आपके friends group, office के colleagues. Now you have experts for nutrition, baby sleep, baby massage and all. So go to the right person. If you want to take advice, go to the right person to take that advice. One is that don't parent the way your parents parented. The world is very, very different. Please invest in educating yourself about your child's sleep. It'll help, it'll go a long way, because sleep literally impacts everything, including your child's intake of food, their mental health, their cognition development, their physical health, everything, their behavior. Your quality of sleep also depends on your child's sleep. Okay,
Yes.
so invest in learning about that. It's important. Respond to your child. Be a responsive parent. Respond to your child's needs, because they're not always going to be this small, and it is very tough to be available to somebody 24/7. Give your all 24/7. I understand that, but these are the formative years, the first 5 years, and whatever we do has a huge impact on our children's lives as they grow. Okay, the way we parent also is the way we are is also largely impact, is influenced by how we were parented and how our childhood was. So ensure that you're doing better, you're learning more, and you're responding to your children's needs, because they're not always going to be this small. And but please find a balance. Don't put your own needs on a back burner. Ask for support. If it's possible, hire support. Outsource other, things, negotiable things like cleaning and whatever, so that you can focus on the important thing, which is ensuring that your child is well rested.
तो ये थी अमृता, AKA मॉम अनइंटरप्टेड। आई होप जो भी आपने इस पॉडकास्ट में सुना और सीखा, उससे आपकी मदद हुई होगी। आपके बहुत सारे क्वेश्चंस का आंसर इस पॉडकास्ट से निकला हो, मैं यही आशा करता हूँ। और अगर आपको लगता है कि किसी पेरेंट की इस पॉडकास्ट से मदद हो सकती है, तो ज़रूर उनके साथ ये पॉडकास्ट शेयर कीजिए। पेरेंट्स ऑफ इंडिया का विजन भी यही है कि हम पेरेंट्स के लिए एक सपोर्ट इकोसिस्टम क्रिएट करें, जिससे पेरेंटहुड के टाइम पे आने वाला कोई भी सवाल, कोई भी दिक्कत, कोई भी परेशानी या कोई भी क्यूरियोसिटी, उसके आंसर्स आपको हमारे साथ हमारे पॉडकास्ट पे मिल पाए, पेरेंट्स ऑफ इंडिया पे मिल पाए। इसके लिए मैं आपसे रिक्वेस्ट करूंगा, अगर आपने अभी तक सब्सक्राइब नहीं किया है तो सब्सक्राइब कीजिए, जिससे कि आने वाले पॉडकास्ट आपके मिस ना हो। और अपने फेलो मेट्स, फेलो पेरेंट्स, फ्रेंड्स, ऑफिस नेटवर्क, एनीथिंग जहाँ पे आपको लगता है उनकी हेल्प हो सकती है हमारे पॉडकास्ट से, खासकर इस स्लीप वाले पॉडकास्ट से, तो उनके साथ ज़रूर शेयर कीजिए। थैंक यू।